Hello, my name is Mrs. Esther Orellana, and this is SOS Math 504. Today we are going to learn how to subtract fractions and mixed numbers with renaming. But first, a little review of the type of fractions. The type of fractions that we know are, for example, if I have, if I have 5/12 because the numerator is less than the denominator, this is called a proper fraction. Proper fraction. And when we have, for example, 15/7, that is called improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is greater than the denominator. And the ones that have a whole number and a fraction are called mixed numbers. I can rename a mixed numbers. For example, this 3/4/5. How can I rename that? Naming one less of the whole number. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is my 3. But I have 4/5. I have 4/5. So I have to add so I can rename this mixed number. So what do I have here? I have 2 9/5. We can simplify this process just adding these two. 5 plus 4 is 9, and I copy the denominator. So if I want to rename 3 and 4/5, that is equal to 2, 9/5. And for example, what happens when I have a whole number, you know, let's do this example. If I have a whole number, no fractions, just a whole number, minus 2 5/9. What do I have to do? I cannot write just the 5/9 over here and subtract 7 minus 2 is 5. No, I have to rename this 7. So if I rename, I'm going to name that as 6 plus 1 is 7. So I'm going to write 6, and I'm going to use the 9 as a denominator and numerator. Denominator 6 plus 1 is 7. Now I can subtract 5 nines. So 9 minus 5 is 4/9. 4 nines. 6 minus 2 is 4. So my answer when I subtract 7 minus 2 and 5 nines is 4 nines. All right. Another example. Let's erase this and do another example. Okay. I'm going to subtract two mixed numbers now. Two mixed numbers. For example, if I have 4 and 7/12 minus 1 and 11/18, I cannot just subtract like this, having different denominators. To subtract these two mixed numbers, I need to have the same denominator. And the least common denominator between these two fractions is 36. 36 is a number that divides evenly 12 and 18. So let's do this subtraction. I copy the least common denominator and the whole numbers. Okay, 36 divided by 12. Why divided? Because the least common denominator is the number that divides evenly both denominators at the same time. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. So I'm going to multiply times 3 the fraction that we have here. 7 times 3 is 21, and 12 times 3 is 36. 36 now is 36 divided by 18 is equal to 2. So I multiply numerator and denominator by the 2, and that gives me 11 times 2, 22. 18 times 2 is 36. Now we can subtract, okay? But really, I cannot take 22 from 21 because it's not enough. So I have to rename the first fraction. I will rename that using the shortcut, renaming 1 less, 3. And I'm going to add these two because that is the shortcut for the long process that I already showed in the first example. So that is 5736 minus 1, 22, 36. Now, I'm going to subtract the whole numbers. That is a 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 57 minus 22 is 35. 35, 36. And that is my answer. So 4 and 7 twelves minus 1 11 eighteenths is equal to 2 and 35 36. And that is how we subtract mixed numbers with renaming. Hopefully you understood. All right, see you next time. Thank you for your attention.